In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to Lovable AI using Namecheap, step by step. Start by opening Google Chrome and logging into your Namecheap account. Once you're in, head over to the domain list. This is where you'll find all the domains you currently own. From there, select the specific domain that you want to connect to Lovable AI. This will take you to a management page with several options. Look for the tab labeled Advanced DNS. Click on that to open up a new section specifically focused on DNS settings. In this area, your aim is to locate the name servers section. Initially, you might see a default name server setting. What you'll want to do here is set your name servers to custom DNS. By selecting this option, you'll open up fields where you can input new DNS information. This is an important step because you will be entering the DNS details given to you by Lovable AI, which are usually found in their documentation. Carefully type in these details, making sure that there are no typos, as incorrect information can lead to connectivity issues. After entering the correct DNS details, remember to save your changes. Once the settings are saved, your work on the Namecheap side of things is complete for now. The next step is to log into your Lovable AI account. Once logged in, go to the project's domain settings. This is where you'll add the custom domain you've just configured in Namecheap. Input your domain carefully and make sure to confirm every entry. This step essentially links your domain with Lovable AI's system, enabling the two to work together seamlessly. After you've added your domain in Lovable AI, you'll need to verify that the domain connection is, in fact, successful. This is an important checkpoint that helps ensure everything is set up correctly. At this stage, it's crucial to understand that DNS changes don't happen instantaneously. You should allow up to 24 hours for DNS propagation. During this period, the changes you've made will spread across various DNS servers around the world. If everything is set correctly, and after the propagation is complete, your domain should now be successfully connected to Lovable AI. Should you encounter any issues, it might be helpful to double-check the DNS entries for typos or revisit the Lovable AI documentation to ensure that you've entered the information correctly. This concludes our tutorial on connecting a Namecheap domain to Lovable AI. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.